Hey guys, so we're going to check out Vidnoz and I'm going to show you an exclusive coupon code that we have for them. So you can see here, Vidnoz is an online AI generating web store that you can see they create free videos for you to use. And I'm going to show you how you can get an exclusive coupon code for them. So we'll go to the search bar and we'll go to couponcode.co. And then once we're here on coupon code, we can search for the Vidnoz store. And you can see here we can open it up. And we'll look at this top code today, which is 30% off Vidnoz exclusive. We'll click show coupon code. We'll click copy code and go to offer page. So it brings us here, and today we'll look at this business plan. And then it'll open up the cart. We can click here where it says got a coupon code and paste in our code already copied from coupon code and click apply. And boom, there's some more savings. So it's important to know this is a limited time code. So the time you're watching this video, the codes could be expired. So feel free to head back to Coupon Code. You can see we've got a list of codes here, so feel free to check and see if we have better codes or updated offers. We're here at Coupon Code making these videos to show you guys we're real people, trying to help you out and give you the best discounts possible. If you have any questions or comments, let us know in the comments below. Thanks guys.